Welcome back to the one-to-one series with GCPS Tech Tips. We continue our look into the accessibility features on your Chromebook. Readability features can help you see content on your screen easier. Have you ever needed the objects on your screen to be larger? You can make the content larger as if you were using a magnifying glass. There's a difference between the docked and full screen magnifying feature. Remember in our previous episodes how you can turn on and off accessibility features? Click on the time, then accessibility. Find the feature you want to turn on and off. The docked magnifier places a magnified area of the location of your cursor at the top half of your screen. You see a magnified and default view at the same time. The full screen magnifier does exactly what you might think. It magnifies the entire page or current display. Do you see the difference between docked and full screen magnification? Another readability feature is high contrast mode. High contrast mode typically inverts the color of black and white on the screen. This feature helps lessen the strain placed on your eyes and makes things easier to read on your Chromebook screen. Would you prefer high contrast mode? The accessibility features we talked about today can help you view the content on your screen. In our next video, we'll look at features that help you navigate your cursor on your Chromebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time on GCPS Tech Tips.